How to share your location on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to share your location on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our 4 sharing method apps. So right now let's head over to our settings, and from in there just scroll down until you can find location services. What you can find here right there is you can just search for it. So let's search for location services. So in here you can see the location or the share my location. So just click on that and enable this right here, and as you can see it will be enabled. So the first method is to share it via messages. So head over to your messages right here, and then from in there you can just search your in here the method, or click on more right here in order to share your location. So you can share it using the Google Maps right here, and after that you can just send it to a friend if you want. So the next thing you can do is to head over to your Google Maps and then share your location from in there. So if you have Google Maps right here, so let's click on this. Click on this right here. Then what you can do is you can actually share it by clicking on yourself on the screen, clicking on this on the add label or this share right here. So you can just share this, and then you can just copy it or share it to messages or anything like that. So the next thing you can do is to head over to your Apple Maps. So in here, this is the maps. So what you can do is you can allow this again, and then from in there just click on the place and then click on share right here in order to share it to friends. So the next thing you can do is to head over to your contacts, and then from in there you can also share your location from in there. So in here I have my contacts, so I can just head over and click on this person right here, and I can just click on the share my location in there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to share your location on an iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.